Samsung just leveled up the Galaxy AI experience, and on the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7, it's bigger, smarter, and way more fun to use. Today we are going to hands-on to show you exactly how the new AI features can transform the way you edit photos, play games, and create interesting AI photo. Let's start with its upgraded Generative edit. You have probably used object removal before, but now it's sharper, more accurate, and understand the context of your image way better. It doesn't just remove objects, it removes shadows and fill in the background so naturally you swear the original photos never had them. With improved textures handling, the chances of weird blurry patches are now 18 times lower. You can move, erase, or even enlarge objects, change angles, and compare the original with the edit in real time thanks to the side-by-side editing on this big full display. And here's my favorites, Suggest Erase. The phone now proactively spots what you might want to remove and offer to do it for you. Lazy edit? Yes please. Pet lovers, this one for you. The upgraded Portrait Studio now includes 3 new styles designed just for your furry friends. Pick your favorite pet photos, select Portrait Studio, choose a style and tap Generate. Instant Perfect Portrait. Get it? Perfect? Videos aren't just about visual. The audio eraser now detects unwanted noise like wind or traffic and remove it in just seconds. It works on up to 90 minutes of video, whether it's something you recorded or even downloaded. You can use it in video player, voice recorder, notes, and more. Meets the new Gemini Live. It's multi-modals, meaning it understands what you see, say, and do. Share your screen, point at something, and ask questions. Gemini will give you instant answer or even take action in Samsung and Google apps. May I know what mouse am I looking right now? And also, I'll be interested to purchase them through Shopee Malaysia. Do provide me few links with the pricings and save them on Samsung Notes.
I'm saving the information about the Logitech MX vertical mouse, including links and prices from Shopee Malaysia to your Samsung Notes.
Can you remind me to purchase them a week before Christmas?
I'm setting a reminder for you to purchase the mouse a week before Christmas on December 18th, 2025 at 9 a.m.
And for gamers, circle to search now works mid-games. Circle a boss or item and get tips or strategy videos right there without leaving your games. And if you're feeling creative, Sketch to Image let you draw directly onto a photos and then transform it into a fully generated scene in the style you choose. On the Galaxy Z Fold7 huge screens, it's like having a portable AI art studio. From smarter photos edit to noise-free audios, live gaming tips, and on-device AI creativities, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 takes Galaxy AI to a whole new level. If you thought your phone was smart before, this is a whole new game. That's all from me on the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7's new improved AI features. If you have any questions, do drop them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.